I just took the flank steak out of the smoker and now just threw it over some open flames to give it a nice charcoal crust to it. This should be delicious. Well, here we go. This is the grilled flank steak. It's been marinating overnight in a mixture of Italian dressing, liquid smoke, and some garlic powder and onion powder. And we smoked it at about 225 to 250 for about an hour and a half until it got to a temperature of about 120 degrees. And then I turned on the gas grill and I just flamed it a little bit to give it a little bit of char on the outside. So let's go ahead and cut into this and see how it looks. Okay, here we go. As always, it's very important to cut across the grain. As you can see here, all the grain is going, in my view, from left to right. So we want to cut it this way to give it a more tender cut. So again, grain's going this way, we cut the opposite way. So far, it looks good. Now, flank steak is a pretty good quality cut of meat. Now, it's not filet mignon, but it's not sirloin either. So you do want to keep your slices somewhat thin because, again, the thicker the slice you have, it may appear to be a little bit more tough, which you don't want. So a slice about this thickness should give you a real nice taste. And as you can see, I let it rest for about 30 minutes after I cooked it, so it's nice and juicy. Yeah, really, really nice. Very good. And you can see by the texture of the meat, it's very soft. All the fibers have been taken out, and it's very, very tender.